Hi, so for today, I am going to discuss the parts or the introduction for RStudio. Basically, we are just going to explore its UI or user interface. Inside the RStudio, we have four different windows or tabs. In each window, they have their own functions and purposes. The upper left here is called the source tab. The bottom left here is called the console tab. The upper right here is called the environment tab, and then lastly, the bottom right here is called the files tab. In here, the first window located in the upper left is called the source tab, as I have said earlier. This is where all your codes or my codes are inputted into the system and executed so that we can see its result. And that result is then displayed here on the console tab. Actually that's the function of the console tab. After you executed your code here on the source tab, it will display here on the console tab. And then here in the environment, it the information you have on your file is then displayed here. Example here is the information of my family, including their names, age, and sex. And lastly, here in the files window, we can see different tabs such as files, plots, packages, help, and the viewer. This window is basically where it can read your hard drive or as it contains or it displays the files you have in your computer. So um, this is my code. Sorry, this is my code, and I already actually did my code earlier, and I'm just going to copy it on my notepad. This is the code for the plot, and I will just going to enter it. So here on the bottom right, you can see here the plot for the information on my family, such as their sex and age. And that's it for today. Thank you.